Appalachian sunrise meets my skin. Even with my eyes still closed, I can feel it coming in. Golden, golden, I'll follow only golden, 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 golden things. Moral high five for miles in spring. Rain with a trap and hummingbird.
Hey everyone, welcome back. I am about to get myself a little walk a couple of miles at the track. It's a gorgeous morning, so I figured I would go ahead and do that. I just dropped Sydney off at summer camp. She's been loving her gymnastics summer camp. Drop off the first couple of mornings was a little like tears were shed just a little bit. I think she was just nervous because she really truly doesn't know anyone at this camp, and it is an all-day thing. So when she gets dropped off, she knows like she's there all day. Like it's not just a little class and then I'm gonna pick her up. Like all of the other ones were kind of half days. So but this morning went beautifully, and she's made like a little best friend, and she was there at drop off, so that made it a little bit easier. And she's been learning, oh my word, she's been having so much fun, like jumping into the foam pit and learning headstands and trampoline fun. And today, since it's going to be nice, hopefully they have some water play, so she went wearing her bathing suit, and that will be so much fun. Since it's kind of been a bummer so far, it has been raining every day, so they haven't really had water play. Anywho, enough chatting. I need to go ahead. I feel like I have a lot to do since things have been piling up, so I definitely want to be I definitely want to accomplish a lot today. So I'm gonna go get some exercise to start our day off with. I love starting the day off with some exercise when I'm feeling motivated. Just far and few between, so we're gonna go with it.
I'll follow the golden, golden, golden things. Gold hair, gold rings.
All right, so I wasn't able to walk at the track. There were like summer camps, sports camps, like practicing and whatnot. So I ended up just walking on the road, which was fine because in this area there's a bunch of sidewalks. So ended up being fine. I just didn't know how far I walked because I forgot to wear my watch. But now I am starving. I have not had breakfast or anything, and there's this new protein place in town. It's like a protein shake. I don't know. It looks delicious. I love a good like peanut butter banana, peanut butter chocolate protein shake, and so I'm gonna go ahead and check them out. Yeah, I'm excited that they have like healthier options in town now. I feel like it's so rare to have healthier things in town, so I'm super pumped.
Gold anything, golden. I'll follow only golden, golden, golden things.
Of course I ordered the Reese's peanut butter cup. It's a chocolate peanut butter protein shake. It has like 24 grams of protein. Definitely a meal replacement because with tax it ended up being almost $9, but we shall give it a try. It was so hard to choose. They have so many things that, and like energy teas and things, protein coffee, things that sounded absolutely amazing. So I'm excited to give this a try. I am very impressed by this. It is an absolute delicious like after workout meal replacement snack, what have you. 24 grams protein, not very sweet, which is what I like in a protein shake. So delicious. Okay, now I'm gonna go ahead and give my face a wash and take care of my peach fuzz using this tool that I have here, an at-home dermaplaning tool from DERMAFLASH, and they have kindly sponsored today's video. I'm so obsessed. You guys know I have a lot of peach fuzz. Well, if you don't know, I do. I do talk about it on my channel quite often, and it is something that I like to take care of every single month, and that way my makeup goes on a whole lot smoother and I'm not embarrassed by the peach fuzz on my face. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that. So I'm using the DERMAFLASH Luxe Plus kit. It comes with the Luxe Plus device, 4 single-use microfine edges and pre-flash cleanser, a charging cable, and base as well. And this charges via USB port, and it charges in no time at all. Once all 4 lights are glowing, you know that your device is fully charged. So this device is going to get rid of all of your peach fuzz, your dead skin cells, and really help improve the clarity of your skin and help your serums absorb into your skin. So I'm starting out with the pre-flash cleanser. What this is going to do is get rid of all of the surface oils of your skin and then wash it off with water and then pat your skin really, really dry before getting started. The DERMAFLASH Luxe Plus is insanely easy to use. Once your device is fully charged, go ahead and take it off of its charging base, and you're going to slide it onto one of the microfine edges until you hear a click, and then you know it is secure. It does have 2 pulsing speeds. If you click the power button once, you'll get the lowest setting, and then the second time will be a little bit more intense, and then the third time it does shut the device off. So starting out by pulling your skin taut and going at a 45-degree angle in short feathery strokes, going in any direction that you prefer. As you can see, that was a bunch of dead skin cells and peach fuzz that it is going to remove and really help the tone of your skin and help your skincare absorb well. I so much appreciate these new devices that I can do at home in the comfort of my own home, because I spent so many years being self-conscious about the peach fuzz on my skin and makeup not looking right on my skin. So I no longer have to worry about this. And also, you don't have to worry about your hair growing back darker or thicker. It is clinically proven that that does not happen. And also it is extremely gentle, so you don't have to worry about getting cuts or nicks or anything like that. Once I am done using the device, I go ahead and go in with the DERMAFLASH Botanical Keto Acid Toner. This is going to help resurface, exfoliate, but gentle daily exfoliation, and I use this on a cotton pad. And then after my skin is dry from that, I go ahead and go in with the Active Cocooning Serum. This is going to help smooth, firm, and visibly brighten the skin, and it gives like plumping hydration. You will see at the end how glowy my skin really was from all of this, and it also helps protect against pollution and blue light, and it is vegan and cruelty free. These edges are single use to prevent bacteria from spreading, so use the eject button and toss it right in the trash can. My skin feels incredibly smooth. As you can tell, I just put on my serum, so I am super glowy and shiny, which I love. And so I don't like to go in with makeup directly after I do my dermaplaning. I like to let my skin breathe and hang out for the rest of the day and just soak in all of that serum and skincare while I have all of that surface dead layer of skin off. I like to have all of the nutrients just going into my skin, and also following up with sunscreen if you are popping outside, of course, as always, to protect your skin. I do have a discount code for 15% off and a link right in my description box, so you guys can go ahead and check them out and use my discount code. I know this is a very common thing that some of us girls deal with, so it's nice to be able to get rid of it in the comfort of my own home. So now I need to go ahead and tend to my deck. We had a ton of rain yesterday. Actually, we've had some rain recently, so lots of debris, sticks, wet cushions that I had drying out, and then we got torrential downpour rain, so I'm sure they're wet again. So gotta take care of these. Actually, not horribly wet. I ended up not gardening this year, and these guys are just grown on their own, I suppose. We just had too much rain that, I don't know, I wasn't able to really plant anything in here because of the amount of rain. I didn't have shelter or cover for these, so it is what it is, but apparently they're still growing. I don't know. At this point, maybe I should just put them in a pot and have them inside for like the winter, the fall. That would be kind of nice to have some rosemary and chives.
Walk up the river by my son. Feet step over splinters of the moon.
Last week my neighbor ended up giving me some of this hosta, and I've been meaning to plant it back here, but we've been flooded with the rain, and so it's just lived in this bucket. Hopefully it survives. I know hostas are pretty hardy and deal with things okay, so I think I'm gonna put it right here in this section. Bring out gloves and then don't ever use them.
Golden things.
I'm gonna sit down and have a very late lunch. It's 2:45, but I'm hungry. It's been a few hours since I had the protein shake, so I just made myself a veggie wrap. We have like avocado, spinach, hummus, pickles, tomatoes, cheese. No tomatoes, just kidding. Guess I forgot to put tomatoes in there. And then a little bit of leftover pasta salad that I made for Sydney for summer camp lunch. And then I have my seltzer, so I'm gonna go ahead and just eat some lunch and then go pick up Sydney. Man, today went by really fast. I think starting the day out with an outdoor walk away from the house really just made the day go by quickly, but thoroughly enjoying it nonetheless. Very excited to see how Sydney's day went at summer camp. And I hope she got to have some water play and snack shack time. She was so pumped because they have a snack shack where she can bring her own money and buy a snack, and that's like a huge deal for kids, huge deal for her right now. So hopefully she had a really good day. And then school is gonna start in a couple of weeks. It is wild to think of that. Summer, man. You know, as a kid, summer feels like you haven't seen your friends in forever and everyone's changed so much when you go back to school. And as an adult, you realize just how short summer is. Just like 8-9 weeks. Okay. I just opened up a PR package and Sydney is super pumped. Who remembers these? Which one do you want to play with?
Both of them.
Okay.
So what do you do? Like? Yeah, but it's hard. That's how one go, but I don't have any space to put all this stuff.
But is this their home?
Yeah.
Maybe it can be a room that changes like what room it is. Like 1 minute it's baby's room, the next minute it's a bathroom.
Wait.
Nice.
But the toy.
Yeah. Okay. Sydney has requested that I pull her in the wagon. We went to the beach the other day and I brought the wagon so that we didn't have to walk forever with our stuff. And I haven't put it back up yet, so she found it. You ready?
Yeah.
Oh my word, you're so big. I know, I see that, but you're so big.
Who's ever found first is the not win. Who's not
So Sydney's taking a bath right now with this eczema therapy like bath packet. Her eczema is acting up so bad, and I know it does every summer, and it's pretty much because of bug spray, sunscreen, sand from the beach, all of the above. So anyway, giving her a nice bath with this, and hopefully, and then lathering her in the lotion as well afterwards, but hopefully that helps.